Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I will talk about the most important parts of a computer and what is the function of each of them. The first part is the motherboard. It's a printed circuit to which all the other components of the computer are connected. From this board, the energy is distributed to each of the parts of the PC. The motherboard has connectors for cables such as power cables and data cables, card slots such as GPUs, and sockets for CPUs. Then we have the processor. It's the central processing unit of a computer, and without it nothing really works. Almost everything you do on a computer will have to be computed by the CPU in some way, so having a fast CPU will make your PC faster. Another important part is the graphics card. Its purpose is the calculation of anything that has to do with the image and sends this image to the monitor. They are usually good enough for light tasks like word processing, some minor games, and the like. They usually come on their own little printed circuit board, which is then plugged into a slot on the motherboard. And last but not least, we have the memory RAM. It's the temporary storage part of the throat of the computer. If we compare it to a brain, RAM stores the data that the CPU actively works on. It can read and write very fast, but it loses everything it had stored once it shuts down. A motherboard has RAM slots where RAM plugs into. RAM comes in different sizes, from around 40 GB to 32 GB per module in current systems. Having more modules, of course, will multiply the amount of RAM. As could be seen, these elements or parts of the computer are essential, as well as others that we're not mentioned. Since like many instruments, it's necessary to have all the components working correctly and together in order to develop their function of best way by achieving good performance and creating a link between the user and the device. So that is all. Thank you so much.